Good afternoon everyone, my name is Dave and today I'll show you how to repair or clean the BlackBerry trackball on BlackBerry Bold 9000. So first of all, turn off your BlackBerry and remove the battery. After that it will look something like this. Next there are 6 Torx T5 screws all along the edges. So if you have a Torx T5 screwdriver, remove the 6 screws holding down the cover. This is a Woody warranty, so please keep that in mind. So doing this will probably fix your trackball if your trackball is not working anymore after a few months of use. So you can see how easy the cover comes off. There's nothing holding it down, just pull it off after you remove the screws. Next you can see the circuit board. There's nothing holding this down either, so if you just take your screwdriver and just pop it out. One problem area could be over here where the USB and the sound jack is. Sometimes it gets stuck in the cover, so when you're pulling it out, be careful. And here it comes. Okay. So here's a troublemaker. And next step, you have to remove the cover on this trackball. Basically, there's two little pins here you can pull up. If you have maybe a little pocket knife or something, this should work just fine. And just pull it up. I find it easier to go from this way. Okay. And here it comes. Okay. Now the trackball will come right out. You can use tweezers or something, you can just flip the phone over on its side. Okay, here. If you can actually buy a replacement trackball from eBay or on the internet. They're probably around very cheap, $2 or $3. But if you can't live without your BlackBerry for a day like me, you can actually clean this. So before you do that, take a really close look at the trackball and how it's put together. Maybe take a few pictures because you're gonna have to put this back together, and it's quite a pain. So to take it apart, you see the metal sheath around it. You just have to pretty much open it up, and like using a pocket knife for this, just pry up whatever is holding it down. And it will come off eventually. Okay, here it comes. I think. Okay, here it comes. So there it comes back. And I actually already cleaned my trackball before the video, but it takes quite a while to clean. But if this is the first time opening it, you're gonna see a lot of dust, and I mean a lot all over this, just like the old mechanical mouses we used to use for computers. So you can remove these black things if you want, but just a warning, they're pretty hard to put back in. So I don't want to do it during the video because then it's gonna take forever. But you can just roll this around, clean it. You can pop out the bowl in the middle. That will take out all the 4 black things. Let me just take one off and show you. They each look like this, and you can roll them around, clean it. There's a lot of dust usually, and once you put it back, it should be fine. So putting it back is a pain because all the black parts are magnetized, and sometimes it gets stuck to your tweezers. Okay, so once you're done cleaning it, you can put the back cover back. You can put the back plate back on. So yeah, I hope you took some time looking at it before you took it off, so you know how to put it back on. But basically, there's a little knob. Maybe if I zoom in for you here. I don't know if it focuses very well. Yeah, I don't think you can see it on the camera, but basically there's a little knob, and that should go in the metal piece with the hole in the middle. Okay. Yeah, so there you go. Just pop it back in. Click, everything clicks in place. And pretty much set. Okay. So yeah, that's how you take apart a trackball and put it back together. Yeah. You'd be surprised at the amount of dust you can find in there. Sometimes maybe even breadcrumbs. And now you're ready to put everything back together. So you don't have to. The way you put it back is there's one side of the trackball with two knobs on top. One side's flat. So put the knobs vertically like this, and just plop it in there. Roll it around, see if it's working. Seems pretty good. Next, put on the faceplate. Pretty straightforward. Just pop it in. Here, click. Okay, it's good. It's set. You're pretty much done. And next, have it to put this back in the cover, in the casing. It's pretty straightforward, but there's 2 points of interest. First are these two edges here. When you put back the screen, be careful of them. Make sure the screen goes in. It kind of slides in underneath these two things, so you have to be careful of that. And the other thing that's difficult is these two slots over here. You have to pull them out, push them out a little bit for the phone to go in. So let's do that. Yeah, so make sure they slide in underneath these two black things. Make sure the screen slides in underneath the black things. Okay, so push them in. And looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Sometimes you have to put a little bit of pressure along the middle, like right here, for the phone to go in. Like so. And there it is, the phone's back in. And this time the trackball is working well. Next step, put on the cover here. It goes right on. Next step, put all the screws back in. And there you go. Whole point of this exercise is to repair your BlackBerry in 10 minutes instead of sending it for warranty, which will probably take about a week or two. So this will get you back on track with a BlackBerry very quickly. Yeah, so make sure all the screws are in. Looks good. I took out my SIM card because I didn't want to show you guys my SIM card number. I don't even know if that matters, but here you go. Put the battery back in. And oh, wrong way, sorry. This way. Okay. Now the BlackBerry is going to take a long time to start up. But once it's started up, you should see your trackball is once again working. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you happen to have a hard drive that's been damaged by a power surge, you can try checking out our other videos that can help you repair your hard drive. And otherwise, just have a great day. Thanks.